Yet another Kanjivaram from Vastram. Vanakkam, Sunita here for Vastram with a beautiful, original, authentic, pure Zari woven Kanjivaram priced at 20,500. This is a classy collections which I personally love. Few weavers weave it to your satisfaction to the core, and one such weaver is this the sari's owner. I just love that. I don't have words to explain. There's a beautiful, elegant Kanjivaram. Let's open up. This is an arresting beauty, I must say. Irresistible combinations of thread self, a rettapete kind of border, a long border at the bottom. If you have a wish to do cut works, we generally do cut works on them. Look at her. It's a pure zari Kanjivaram and a Mail Chakram buttas woven all throughout. The whole body is pure zari woven. Such a ravishing pallu this has got, and the fanciable sari. Look at her. So beautiful, so gorgeous. Very easy on your eyes, I must say. The pallu is a kind of turquoise and the whole body is one Mail Chakram thread self body, 20,500. The Rudrakshams and the temples in the border is highlight. You can do a cut work over here. We generally, you just can wear it like that. If you would like to go in for the fancying part of it, we generally do cut work for the plain border, or we do kalamkari for here, so that it gives a very different look. You can also attach a kalamkari border over here and do a lot of finishing handworks on that. That will also look beautiful. That's the blouse for this pretty sari. Look at her. She is class and beautiful. When you see these saris in real, they are even more classy. Then show me the pallama. Show me the pallapat. The pallu is never to be missed. In a pure zari, the pallu's beauty actually doubles, triples and multiplies itself to infinity, I must say, because zari gives a look and feel for the sari, and as a pure zari sari, I'm always a pure zari lover. So this is one among that. Look at that. Such an easy on eye collection, very pleasant on the color combination part also. The top border has got the same thing over there. The base colors, why we get this woven like this is, why a gap over here in the border is one style. Next is this part can also be used for designing. So these are designer collections generally, and people do prefer to wear it the same way. The color combination is so classy. It's a running blouse, as I told you. It's a pallu contrast turquoise color blouse. The sari by itself is a beautiful combination. That's the blouse of the sari. Entire sari is beautifully woven on thread silk. The pallu is zari woven. The borders are zari woven, and very importantly, pure zari woven. Classy beauties. So that is the sari, 20,500. It will be uploaded on the website. You can buy it through them. We'll give you more beautiful pictures. Light on chur off madi try madana color ek barta idantadu. This is by itself beautiful. The thread of weaving over there is so classy. See, look at that. See, do you get the feel of it now? I feel this way without light, it's even more beautiful. So without lighting, the sari is this. This is where your eye really understands what beautiful sari we are coming up with. I choose them myself so personally that there's now nobody who would say that this isn't come out good. Look at that. Do you see the work on the body and the border? That's a pure zari pallu. This is the pure silk woven silk thread body. The whole sari is classy, amazingly beautiful collection. A pure zari Kanjivaram from Vastram. See this. Happy shopping. We'll be coming up with more interesting collection. Don't miss. And you will love to have to see her bridal collections and Varamahalakshmi collections that are coming up by end of this month. Happy shopping. Bye. Take care.